Senior Superintendent of Police, Andrew Kagwa. If you are there, you put your hand. Yes, D1. D2, Senior Superintendent of Police, Bamunzibre Samuel. D3, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Mumuza Patrick. D4, number 51748, PC Kayamu Willie. D5, number 51522, PC Kato Sula.
Videos were taken by different cameras and captured it.
Please proceed. Okay. So now,
Let us go.
because where others are appearing,
Try your unfair system.
This is Kingdom TV.